In March 2023, a venture capitalist who had never held a professional developer job released a Python script that changed the trajectory of AI development. It went viral with millions of impressions, got featured at the inaugural TED AI conference, earned thousands of academic citations, and spawned an entire ecosystem of autonomous agents. This is BabyAGI, and what it's become today is even more interesting than how it started. BabyAGI launched in March 2023 as project number 70 in a series of AI experiments by Yohei Nakajima. The inspiration was the Hustle GPT movement. People were using ChatGPT as a co-founder for startup ideas. Nakajima wanted to push further and take the human element out entirely by prototyping an autonomous startup founder. The result was a simple Python script that could create tasks, prioritize them using an LLM, and execute them in a loop. The first widely accessible demonstration of autonomous AI agent behavior. It was intentionally minimal. The original version was under 200 lines of code, but the concept resonated so deeply with the AI community that it accumulated 22,200 GitHub stars, 2,800 forks, coverage across every major tech publication, and dozens of citations in academic papers on arXiv. BabyAGI didn't just demonstrate autonomous agents, it defined the category for thousands of developers who had never seen one before. Let's look at the repo as it stands today. The star count at 22,200 reflects BabyAGI's historical significance. This was a cultural moment in AI, not just a code release. The codebase is primarily Python with an HTML dashboard. But here's the important thing. What you see on the main branch is not the original BabyAGI. In September 2024, Nakajima archived the original task planning version and completely rewrote the project from scratch. The archive lives in a separate BabyAGI_archive repository for anyone who wants to study the original. The current main branch is something entirely different. A self-building autonomous agent framework built around a concept called Functionz. To understand why BabyAGI mattered, you need to understand what existed before it. In early 2023, most people interacted with LLMs through chat interfaces, one prompt in, one response out. The idea that an LLM could autonomously generate its own tasks, decide their priority, execute them, and loop back to generate more tasks based on the results was genuinely novel for the mainstream developer community. BabyAGI demonstrated a three-step loop. First, use the LLM to create tasks based on the current objective and previous results. Second, use the LLM to prioritize those tasks. Third, execute the highest priority task and feed the result back into step one. This task-driven autonomous loop became the template for AutoGPT, AgentGPT, and eventually more sophisticated frameworks like Crew AI, LangGraph, and the modern agent ecosystem we have today. Yohei Nakajima's background makes this story even more remarkable. He's a general partner at Untapped Capital, an early-stage venture capital firm. During working hours, he evaluates and invests in startups. After hours, he builds AI experiments in public. He's worked with Disney and Nintendo through his career at Techstars and Scrum Ventures. He has never held a professional developer job, and he's transparent about it. Nearly all of the code in BabyAGI was generated with AI assistance. This dual identity matters because it demonstrates something the AI community was just beginning to understand in 2023, that the gap between having an idea and shipping working software was collapsing. A venture capitalist with no formal CS training could build the most influential AI agent of the year using the very technology he was building with. In September 2024, Nakajima made a bold decision. He archived the original BabyAGI and rewrote the project from scratch with a completely different philosophy. The original was a task-driven loop, an agent that plans and executes. The new BabyAGI asks a different question. What's the simplest thing that can build itself? Instead of a task planner, the new version is a self-building autonomous agent. It doesn't start with a predefined set of capabilities. It generates and registers new functions as it encounters tasks it can't handle. The framework is called Functionz, and it represents a shift from planning intelligence to building intelligence. Rather than getting better at executing plans, the agent gets better at creating tools, adding to its own capability set with every interaction. Functionz is the core of the new BabyAGI. It's a database-backed function management system where every function is a first-class entity with metadata, dependency tracking, and execution logging. You register functions with a decorator that specifies their imports, dependencies on other functions, and any secret keys they need. Functionz tracks these relationships as a graph. So if function A depends on function B and B depends on C, the system resolves the entire chain automatically. Every execution is logged: inputs, outputs, timing, errors. The dashboard gives you a visual interface for managing the function lifecycle, storing secrets, configuring triggers, and monitoring execution history in real time. Preloaded function packs provide default capabilities, and AI function packs add auto-generated descriptions and embeddings through OpenAI integration. The self-building capability is where BabyAGI gets experimental, and Nakajima is upfront about that. 2 draft implementations show the concept. The process_user_input function evaluates whether an existing function can handle a request or whether a new one needs to be generated. If no existing function fits, the self-build function creates the necessary code, registers it with proper metadata, and makes it available for future requests. The agent literally grows its own toolkit. Each new function becomes a permanent addition to the database, so the agent's capabilities compound over time. This is explicitly marked as requiring significant improvements. It's research-grade code, not production software. But the concept is compelling. An agent that doesn't just execute, it evolves. Installation is a simple pip install. Import BabyAGI, register your functions with the decorator, and start the dashboard. The dashboard runs on a local Flask server and gives you a visual interface for everything: function management, dependency graphs, execution logs, secret storage, and trigger configuration. You can also load pre-built function packs for common capabilities or point to your own pack files. For the self-building features, you'll need an OpenAI API key configured for the AI function pack. The project is MIT licensed and explicitly welcomes contributions. Nakajima has noted that PR management has been historically slow, but the community is active. BabyAGI's influence on the AI ecosystem is hard to overstate. Before March 2023, autonomous agents were an academic concept. After BabyAGI, they were a GitHub trend. AutoGPT launched weeks later and hit 100,000 stars faster than any project in history, directly inspired by BabyAGI's task loop. Crew AI, LangGraph, Goose, and the entire modern agent framework ecosystem can trace a lineage back to the ideas BabyAGI popularized. The current rewrite represents the next philosophical question. Now that agents can plan and execute, what happens when they can build themselves? Whether Functionz becomes the definitive answer doesn't matter. What matters is that Nakajima is again asking the question no one else is asking, publicly, with code, and inviting the community to figure out the answer together. If you're interested in the history of AI agents and want to understand where the autonomous agent movement began, BabyAGI's archive is essential reading. If the concept of self-building AI, agents that create their own tools, interests you, the current Functionz Framework is the most accessible implementation of that idea. If you're a researcher studying self-modifying systems, the codebase is small enough to understand completely and MIT licensed for any use. And if you resonate with Nakajima's build-in-public philosophy, experimenting openly with cutting-edge ideas and sharing the results regardless of polish, BabyAGI is the best example of how that approach can reshape an entire industry. This is not production software. It's something more valuable, a living experiment in what AI agents could become. That's BabyAGI, the experiment that became a movement, now evolving into something that builds itself. GitHub link in the description. Subscribe to Prism Labs for more AI agent deep dives.